Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Gothic makeup look in Dress to Impress new Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how you can create this makeup look for horror theme or maybe for Gothic theme or Halloween theme. It's up to you. And I'm going to go to the salon. Wait. Okay, I have already arrived at the salon and then I'm going to show you the custom makeup for this Gothic makeup look. For the eyes, you can choose this one guys. This eyes. I'm going to show you which eyes I applied. This one. And then for the eyebrow, you can choose this eyebrow. And you can color it black. This one. And for the lips, we're going to choose this lips. Let me show you this one. Okay, and for the next one, the contour. For the contour, you're going to choose this one. Okay, and then the next one is the addition for the nose. You can choose this nose. Okay, let me show you this one guys. And for the eyeshadow, okay, these are for the eyeshadows. Okay, and for everything you can choose this one. Oops, I'm running out of time. Okay, you can follow my custom makeup to create this Gothic look. Yeah, and that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this Gothic look in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.